So the public sector can obviously benefit hugely from AI, as I think anyone else can. But when you look at some of the, I guess, inefficiencies in the public sector, you imagine that there would be a kind of low-hanging fruit there to be able to fix that. And so taking the example of AI in medicine, for example, to train AI to be able to do cancer screening and to help with that, you've got to have a really good base of knowledge already for it to learn from. And I think that's the trouble in the public sector, where typically it's, anecdotally understood that the data can be a little bit all over the place. The IT systems are not always as coherent as they should be. So, we've heard a lot about the NHS and how it has struggled with IT over the years. And I think it's easy to look at AI as a solution, but actually AI and AI governance has to go hand in hand with data governance. So if you don't have reliable and good data to start with, where you know what that data is, what it's used for, how it's going to be used, and also that it's clean and useful, you can't train the model to do what you want to do at the end of it, because it is a case of, garbage in, garbage out. So you first have to have that clean data, structured data that you can use to then train an AI to get to the end goal. And I think that's the challenge in those institutions where, they're politically changing hands all the time, and then people coming in, chopping and changing, and so you get this fragmentation. But you can then also end up with fragmentation in terms of the implementation of the data governance side and the AI governance side, where really they're two sides of the same coin.